Hello, this lesson contains instructions for how to get your Mac set up. If you're a Windows user, then just head to the next lesson, which will cover Windows. So we're going to do this by following the instructions in the course repo for this section. So if we open the repo FRONTEND 01 introduction, you'll find if you scroll down a little way, the Mac setup. And the first thing it does is just lists the software you require. So if you've got Chrome, Node, Git, and Visual Studio Code, then there's no need to do any more. You're all set up. But if you haven't, then you've got a couple of options. You can go to these 4 websites and follow their installation instructions and download their code. But there is an alternative. You can install it with Homebrew, which is how I've been installing stuff recently. So I thought I'd show you how to do it that way. All you need to do is paste brew.sh into your browser, and you'll find on their homepage is the installation command for Homebrew. It's just a single command. So just open a terminal and enter that command. It'll prompt you for a password just because it's an elevated command. But now I've already got this installed, so it's going to be very fast. It says it's updating, but once it's complete, you should find that it prompts you with some instructions for what to do next, which is how to get your shell script file updated so that it sets the correct environment variables. But if you miss that, don't worry, I've put them in the course notes here. So there's actually a couple of different common shells on a Mac. So you need to identify which one you're using. And you can do that with this command here. So if you just go back to the terminal and enter echo shell, it will tell you, it'll either say bin/bash or it may say bin/zsha. And whichever one it comes back with, you should enter the appropriate command. So I'm a bash, so this is the command for bash users. So just copy that and put it into the terminal. And what this will do, it will update your bash profile file. So I can show you, I cleared it out before we started this lesson, but let me just show you my bash profile file now. You see it's added this command at the end. And when you open a new terminal, it'll run these commands and it'll ensure that all the Homebrew environment variables are set up. So I'll just quit terminal and I'll start a new one. And now I'm good to go. I can install all of this software. Now I've already installed it, but if you just follow these commands, you'll find they all get installed. They may require a password, but that's it. And once you've completed that, come back here, and there's just one last piece of finishing up to do, which is to enter these commands. So Git Credential Manager configure. We'll just get the Git Credential Manager working, which is the sort of security system around Git. And then git config, you need to enter your name and your email address in these commands. But I'll show you them executing. And this just ensures that whenever you do a commit or check something into repo, that it's stamped with your name and your email address so other people can see who did the commit. Okay, well with that, we have actually completed the setup, and I will see you in the next lesson.